BTC price prediction. Bitcoin reclaims $90,000 as Kalshi traders put 60% odds on $100,000 by year-end. Bitcoin. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Bitcoin reclaimed $90,000 after a 13% recovery from $80,000 lows, with Kalshi traders assigning 60% odds to reaching $100,000 by year-end amid Fed chair speculation. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. November 27, 2025. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Bitcoin surged above $90,000 following a 13% recovery from $80,000 lows as traders on Kalshi assign a 60% probability to $100,000 by year-end. The rally gained momentum after Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said there was a very good chance that President Trump would announce his Federal Reserve chair pick before Christmas, with markets pricing an 85% probability of a December rate cut. Current Fed Chair Jerome Powell's term ends in May. Expectations for a more dovish replacement raised hopes for earlier or deeper interest rate cuts, boosting risk assets from equities to cryptocurrencies. 5 strong candidates remain in second-round interviews, moving along very well, according to Bessent. Macro headwinds persist amid recovery. Fed officials signaled a willingness to support cuts, with investors watching upcoming jobless claims for clues on the pivot's timing. However, credit risk in AI-linked technology names crept higher amid widening credit default swap spreads. Concerns about AI spending pace, particularly NVIDIA inventories, have also drawn attention as Bitcoin moves in lockstep with the Nasdaq. Crypto ETFs continue to see net outflows, with products trading below their indicative values. Strategy's Bitcoin Treasury faces scrutiny after the stock appears on MSCI's delisting watchlist, raising fears of spillover selling. Just today, Tom Lee also scaled back his $250,000 forecast to above $100,000, noting Bitcoin may maybe retest October's $125,100 all-time high. Lee explained that the tepid view stems from the October 10th crash caused by a glitch that triggered automatic liquidations, wiping out nearly 2 million accounts. However, Lee pointed to rising gold demand from crypto-backed stablecoins helping establish a higher future price floor. USDT issuer Tether became the largest private gold holder globally, surpassing several central banks. Liquidity zones define Bitcoin price prediction. According to analyst Tracer, Binance, Wintermute, and Bybit bought over $10 billion in Bitcoin in 5 hours, with continued accumulation. Currently, most liquidity is stacking to the upside, with significant clusters at $85,000 to $86,000. Reclaiming $93,000 to $94,000 zone could pull the price toward $100,000. Daily charts show Bitcoin at $90,484, establishing support above $90,000 after breaking $88,000 resistance. Immediate resistance appears at $92,000 to $94,000, followed by $98,000 to $101,972 range and a major $106,000 to $107,000 zone. The $97,000 to $98,000 area shows heavy liquidity after a sustained sell-off, resulting in lower highs. Moreover, a 90-day spot taker CVD turned neutral, indicating easing selling pressure. Buying dominance could trigger a sustained rally. Lower timeframe setup requires a break above resistance for bullish continuation toward $96,000 to $98,000 targets. Break below the trend line, and a 4-hour close under $86,500 could drop toward lower zones, creating a double bottom. Notably, Thanksgiving historically weighs on sentiment, with an average loss of 0.8%. However, this year's pre-holiday rally suggests 2025 could break the pattern as Glassnode warns Bitcoin remains structurally weak after losing the 50-week moving average. Looking forward, a successful hold above $90,000 can pave the way for an advance toward $92,000 to $94,000 resistance, then potentially $98,000 to $100,000. Failed support might trigger a retest of $88,000, with deeper corrections toward $81,000 to $82,000 possible. Layer 2 innovation unlocks Bitcoin's full potential. Bitcoin's recovery might also be affected by persistent scalability challenges that limit ecosystem growth. BTC Hyper addresses these constraints by integrating the Solana virtual machine for high-speed, low-cost smart contracts while maintaining Bitcoin's security foundation. The pre-sale surpassed $28 million, nearing the $0.013 per token close, which attracted significant whale investments and ranked among 2025's top fundraisers. Public testnet launches in Q4 2025/Q1 2026 with mainnet preparations advancing rapidly. It offers staking with APYs up to 40%, incentivizing long-term participation. The native token powers network fees, governance decisions, and rewards distribution. Analysts forecast explosive adoption in 2026 as Bitcoin's rally drives demand for scalable infrastructure solutions. To buy $Hyper, visit the official Bitcoin Hyper website and connect your wallet like Best Wallet. Swap crypto or use a bank card. Visit the official website here. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Cardano by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO predicts pre-Thanksgiving ETF surge as Grayscale and Franklin launch XRP. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Everyone's bearish, but one event could flip the entire market around. 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Multiple XRP ETFs go live before Thanksgiving. Big money is coming. 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 1 hour ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 14 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 21 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.